Hello everyone, welcome to Inspire Educare. Today I am going to discuss while loop. Python again provides us a second iterative or looping statement called while loop. It is used to iterate over a block of code as long as the test expression, or you can say a condition, is true. We generally use this loop when we don't know the number of times to iterate beforehand. Python interprets any non-zero value as true. Any value written in condition, if it is a non-zero value, it will be considered as true and the body of while loop will be executed. None and zero are interpreted as false. So while loop also gives us two values, true as well as false. So see the syntax of while loop. While it is a keyword, then you have to write a condition which is used to check whether we have to go inside the loop or not. And if the condition is true, then the body of while loop will be executed. And if the condition is false, then the while loop will be terminated. See over here the flowchart of while loop. You are entering the while loop. Over here you are going to test the expression. This expression will have two values, either true or false. If the value is true, then the body of while loop will be executed and again it will go back to test the expression. Again the value is true, it will come here and the body of while loop will be executed. But if the test expression fails or the answer is false, then the loop will be terminated, means it will be exit. Another important thing is that we need to increase the counter value every time inside the body of loop. In for loop, it was not necessary because by default the value was incremented by 1. But in while loop there is no default increment. Therefore, always you have to keep in mind that you have to increase the value of the counter variable that you are taking, and that value should be incremented in this body of while loop. And after incrementing, you have to again go to check the expression or check the condition. Failing to do so will result in an infinite or never-ending loop. If you do not increase the value of that counter variable, what will happen? The condition over here will never become false. The condition in this text expression will never become false, and hence always the answer will be true and the loop will be executed infinite times. There is another method which the while loop in Python provides us, that is to use the else statement or else block of code. Now the Python allows us to use the else statement with the while loop also. The else block is executed when the condition given in the while statement becomes false. As I told you, if the condition becomes false, the while loop is terminated. But if you write the else block of code, this else block of code will be executed when the condition written in the while loop gets false. If the while loop is broken using break statement, if over here in the loop I write break statement, then what will happen? The else block will not be executed, means it will be neglected or rejected. And one more important thing, that this else block of code is not necessary to use each and every time in your code. It is optional to use with the while loop. So let's see the example how to write the while loop or how it is used in Python. See over here, I have written a small code to tell you how the while loop works. In statement 1, I have initialized a variable I with value 1. In statement 2, the while loop is starting. And I have written the condition I less than 11, means this loop will be executed till I is less than 11. And if the condition is true, then what will happen? Our value of I will be printed. And in fourth statement C, I have written I plus equal to 1. This means the value of I will be incremented. When the value of I will be incremented, it will go again to statement number 2 to execute the while loop. Again, it will check the condition. If it is true, it will print the value of I. Then again, it will increment the value of I, so on till this condition becomes false. So let's run this program. See the output 1 till 1, 2, 3, so on till 10. The counting is printed from 1 to 10 over here. Why? Because I have started I from 1 and I have to print the value of I till I is less than 11. So I have printed the value of I till 10. But now what happens if I don't increment the value of I? So I will comment out this statement and see what will happen over here. See, you can see the output is going on. It is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So what happens in this case? So what happened in this case was our loop was running infinite times and I had to forcefully execute that loop. Or forcefully I have to terminate that loop. Why? Because the value of I was not increasing and always the value of I was 1 and therefore this condition never became false. For this purpose always you have to increase the value of I. But now if I want to use the else block of code. Now I have written over here while block. Now if I want to add the else part, so what I will write? Just I will write over here else and print whatever statement you want to print. I want to print. So in this print statement, I want to print value of I is equal to or greater than 11. Now see how it will run. After running, I have got 1 to 10 through this print statement, and when a value became 11, this condition became false. The else block is printed or executed by writing value of I is equal to or greater than 11. So in this way, the while loop in Python works. Thanks for watching.